So Daniel's just showing me some stuff, and I was like, have we shown anything in these videos that if we put them on YouTube, it's going to allow somebody just, there's hackers out there, I guess. Please don't hack us. We're just good people trying to do good in the world. Please just help us out. Like, figure out how you could hack for the greater common good and do good stuff. But, he was like, well, we have these security keys. We haven't shown any in the videos. But if you look at, like, our code base,
so we've got a utils repo. There's a secrets folder.
There's a secrets folder.
And inside that, there's a file, secrets.go, which I will not be showing on video.
Right.
This contains all our development keys. They all link to development access to various places. So, like, there might be something for the Google login, but it's labeled Google or Greater Commons testing login. So technically, if you had these, you could pretend to be us, but just our testing editions.
Yeah, just the developer side.
So anyone who's actually like looking to use them, half the keys just flat out won't work for production usage, and the other half are clearly labeled test and development.
Yeah. And then in our build process, those get replaced with the actual.
Yes. So yeah,
behind the scenes,
our actual keys are located in a hidden secure area, and they're automatically inserted when we actually deploy.
Yeah.
So you and I are the only ones who actually have access.
Yeah, and
to
I don't even
location.
know where they am, so I hope you don't die.
Yeah. So Shenung Shenung's got access to the archive of the release keys too.
Yeah.
In case of emergency. Yeah. But yeah, these are you got keys here. They're not real keys, or they only work in testing and development.
Yeah, just wanted to point that out. Cool.